Hey everyone, it's Marcus here, and today I've got some critical news for all you IT professionals out there. If your business relies on SAP NetWeaver, you need to stop what you're doing and listen up. A newly confirmed vulnerability, CVE 2025-30-1324, is wreaking havoc in the wild, and it's got a perfect CVSS score of 10.0. This exploit allows attackers to upload web shells and gain unauthorized access to your enterprise systems. Imagine leaving your back door wide open with a neon welcome sign. That's how serious this is. So what's the deal with this vulnerability? It's tied to the /development server /metadata uploader endpoint in SAP NetWeaver. This endpoint lacks proper authorization controls, letting attackers upload malicious files, execute remote code, establish persistent access, and even exfiltrate sensitive data. And yeah, some attackers are using advanced techniques like Heaven's Gate to dodge your defenses. Why is this so dangerous? First, it requires no authentication. Attackers don't need credentials. Second, it hits even fully patched systems. And third, initial access brokers could be selling your compromised system to ransomware gangs or worse. Plus, SAP is everywhere, from local manufacturing to global corporations. But don't panic. Impress IT Solutions in West Houston has got your back. Here's how we can help you stay secure. First, we'll deploy those critical patches like SAP's CVE 2025-30-1324 update, making sure everything is applied correctly. Next, we'll review your server logs and endpoint activity for any signs of compromise. We'll also audit your environment for any unrestricted upload points and apply web application firewall rules to keep the bad guys out. Our threat intelligence and monitoring services keep us updated on active exploits, and we integrate that knowledge into your defenses. Plus, we deploy endpoint detection and response solutions to block advanced tools and techniques. So, what should you do now? If your business runs SAP NetWeaver, especially the Visual Composer component update immediately to the patched versions, block unnecessary SAP endpoints from external access and contact, impress IT Solutions for a full vulnerability scan and compromise assessment. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next video.